Oh, come on. Okay, let's try that again. Abandon Rob this time. Oh, um, oh yeah, that's right. No more annotations. This could be you in a not so distant future. That is, of course, unless you use our backup connected videos tool. Now, sometimes it's really not enough to just back up one video because there are a lot of annotation videos that are connected to it. So, what you do is you just give the linker ID of a base video of sorts, and from there, it'll scan any other related links. Now, it tells us that this has already been scanned, but if we want to scan it a second time, we just hit Y here. Now, sometimes if you pick a very prominent video, you can get a ton of linked videos through annotations. So to spare your computer of all the trouble, you're allowed to add a hard limit. Like, for instance, if you specify 10,000, it won't allow the program to scan any more than 10,000 links and try to back them up. So let's go with that. Now the issue here is we highly recommend you ignore this option because it's somewhat buggy for old videos. But basically it tries to restrict collected annotations to the channel of the original link. I'm gonna, like I said, ignore it. And now we get to mode 1 and mode 2. In mode 1, we scan as we back up. So that means we're going to scan the current video, then scan the related annotations, back that up, move on to the next ones, back those up, etc. With scan first then backup in mode 2, what you do is you'll first be able to see how many links can be accessed from this one video before they begin backing up. That's quite slower in most cases, so unless you're trying to do something very situational, we always recommend that you go with type 1. As you can see, it's gonna slowly, surely make a backup of all of the other videos connected to this. So there you go. Simple as that. Thank you for watching.